Okay, today I just made a hazelnut blueberry granola. So I was gonna do I was gonna cover it with chocolate, but unfortunately I don't have a chocolate with me. Right? This is like the granola. If you think about granola bar, right? This is exactly what it is. So what I use here, my ingredients are maple syrup, the one that you use for a pancake, brown sugar, lemon extract. What else do I have? Vanilla extract and blueberries. What else do I have here? Hazelnut. These are the two main flavors here. And you got the oatmeal, right? And then I have the I have the pan here, right? Looks okay to me. All right. All right. It's good to go. So today is August 11th, 2024. Right. And I'm trying to make my video when it comes to baking and cooking. All right. All right. There you have it. Hazelnut blueberry granola bar, or granola, or you can say trail mix. All right.